In order to achieve your first pull-up and then do 9 more, plan is crucial. Reaching first pull-up is not hard at all. All you have to do is find the bar and practice the hold with the variation that you want to do. For me that was chin-up, so you find the bar and hold on harder part of the movement, which is in this case in upper position. Do 5 sets of that each workout until you are sure that you can perform 1 pull-up. When you reach your first pull-up, you will do 5 sets of 1 until you can do 2 pull-ups in 1 set, or whichever variation of it. When you reach 2 pull-ups, you have to implement so-called ladder. That means when you come to working out, your first set after warming up is one that you do the most reps. For instance, if you do 10 pull-ups in first set, your number of sets for that workout will be 10 in total, but in next set you aim to do at least 1 less than in the previous set. So in this example, if you done 10 in first set, in next set you need to do at least 9, in next at least 8, and so on until you reach 0. Because you can't do 0 pull-ups, you just back up and go home. In conclusion, you do ladder type of sets, but from the top to the bottom, and then go home. This type of working can be implemented into all exercises. With this method I went from 0 to 10 chin-ups in about a month. In reality I used it to reach 17 chin-ups, but that ended in me doing 17 sets in workout and about 150 chin-ups in total, which is great but can be mind-numbing. If you perform 10 sets and cover all numbers from 0 to 10, that would come out as 55 pull-ups in total. Our advice is to start adding weights, aka weighted calisthenics, when you reach 10 whichever ups. So this is it for this video. Stay strong and dig with your head.